Hello, in this video I want to show you how to get the Firefox browser on Lenovo Tab M10 Plus. And to do this, you'll need to open your Google Play Store. Inside, try to find Firefox app. Now select it. I already installed it, so let's remove it and click on the install. After installation process is finished, you should be able to launch it. Now we can customize the browser, so pick a different theme. You can switch the toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch the privacy settings, read the privacy notice, and finally click on Start Browsing. Here open any website, and as you can see, the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.